are pleased to show you the 2012 Nissan Juke. The Juke is an adaptable and intelligent ride where handling meets turbocharged performance. This unique sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, navigation package, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, rear window defroster, CD player, trip computer, power windows, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.